Welcome to FXStreet. And if you like what we're talking about, if you like the video content we are producing, please join us on YouTube by heading over to our YouTube channel and hitting the subscribe button, and you will get alerted to all of the awesome content that we push out. Specifically, if you like what Akash and I are talking about, you can follow Akash on Twitter at Mangyeko and myself at JustAnalysis1. To close out our video analysis for the day, we're going to talk about the most important cryptocurrency in the world, and that is Dogecoin. Being silly there, obviously, but Dogecoin has been a real kind of exercise, an example of the Ichimoku system's levels as it's traded. So we had a nice breakout on the 28th, pulled back. This blue line here represents the weekly Tenkan-sen. And that is where, support has consistently been found. Resistance over the last 4 days, that has been the daily Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which is sitting right at 27.86. So, very simply and very shortly, right now, if it has a close at 28 even, then Dogecoin will be in full-blown bull mode. It previously was in full-blown bull mode when it closed at 30 cents even, but that did not play out. But it will have its second full-blown bull mode occasion here. It'll have its next opportunity to go to the moon here very, very soon. If it can close at 28 even, that will be the move. And then that first initial move towards 50 cents is very likely. Now, really, this looks more like kind of a sloppy but extended bear flag. So any close below 23 cents even, I'm pretty bearish then. And you can see it dive down quite a bit. But that's what I see here on Dogecoin, and I will pass it off to you.
Wow, Jonathan, why do you hate Dogecoin and Shiba Inu so much?
Just Shiba. When I went to that dog shelter and I saw Dogecoin and Shiba Coin sitting there, I just thought both had to be put down. Neither one of them should probably be.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, I was just trying to instigate and I think it worked. Nice. But looking forward to reading the comments in this video. Right, so the last couple of videos we did on Dogecoin, I was talking about this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Although it did feel like it broke out here and started an upswing, it did a 180, went back into this particular demand zone here, ranging from 0.21 to 0.22, from a triple tap setup, and then managed to like burst suddenly and collect liquidity resting above. I was expecting it to collect liquidity resting above these highs here, which was 0.32. But Doge went ahead and collected liquidity resting above these swing highs as well, which is 0.32, right? It's 0.33, right? So now what's happening is it's retesting the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders at 0.25, and so far it seems to be going pretty good. As long as Doge stays above this, I think things are pretty good. But once Doge gets below this level, things are gonna get a little messy. But before that, let's just talk about the longer term time frame, right? I was looking at this particular band here, ranging from 0.25 to 0.34, being where we would see a lot of resistance, and which could probably consolidate in this particular zone. And right now, what's happened is it's broken out of this descending triangle to the upside, and it's even retested this declining trend line. And looks good so far. So if we get a decisive close above a daily close above 0.34, then I'm expecting it to continue its ascent towards 0.44, 0.45, collect liquidity resting above these two particular swing highs here. Let me just, yeah, so this approximate double top formation here is where Doge is going to go next. From the current position, it would indicate a 60 to 65% upswing for Doge is on the horizon, right? And this bullish scenario that I'm explaining is assuming that Bitcoin does not go to 51K. And if it does, then as you can see here, it's probably going to come down here to this particular, before that, it is going to find support at 0.22. But if we do break 0.22, it's going to come down to 0.16, or this demand zone ranging from 0.16 to 0.18. That's where it's going to form a triple tap setup and go to the moon. But my initial target is 0.43, like I mentioned. Beyond that, it's $1. Although it came very close back in May, it didn't reach those targets. So that's my take on Shiba. Before you summarize
But
it.
what did you say? To take on who? Is it
No,
Shiba?
I said Doge.
I don't know. The recording might say differently. Clearly, you've got a love that is beyond Dogecoin. It's my wife would call that a Freudian slip.
I think you're just trying to put words into my mouth.
I don't know,
You know
but
what I mean.
the words you said were very okay. Oh,
Right.
okay.
Wait, so before you summarize, right, I just
Okay.
do want to mention that if Doge breaks below 0.16, as Jonathan has outlined in multiple videos, it could be catastrophic for Doge, as 0.08, 0.09 is what awaits Doge next. But however, I think there's going to be a little bit of respite around 0.12. That's my take on Doge.
All right. Well, that does it for us on Dogecoin, sometimes referred to as Shiba Inu by Akash. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.